Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this space scene in paper cutting style. I hope you like it. Use the gradient tool to fill the background color. Create a layer on the top, and draw this wavy pattern using the highlighted color, then fill color on it. Create 3 more layers like this, using 3 different color. Now, erase some of the parts around the edges, in circle shapes of different size. To create shadows, create a duplicate, enable the alpha lock, then paint it black. After that, disable the lock, and use the blur filter on it. Keep it around 70. Now, create shadow layer for all other layers. Then merge all the shadow layer with its original layers. Now, we will draw the rocket, create a layer on the top, and hide other layers. Enable the vertical symmetry tool, tap on this icon to hide them. Draw the main body first, and fill the color. Create a clip layer and draw the tip using the highlighted color. Create a layer below the body layer, and use the path tool to draw the fin on it. Tap on this tick to confirm, and fill the color. In case you want to adjust your fin, just use the selection tool. Draw the flames on the same layer and fill the color. Duplicate it using the selection tool. I know there's a quick duplicate option in the layer option, but I don't like the results. Now, enable the alpha lock and repaint it. Create a layer on the top for the window. Create a layer below it. Now, use the grid tool and remove the symmetry tool. Then create a clip layer for the body, and repaint half of it. Repaint the tip as well and disable all the tools. Enable the symmetry tool again and draw the middle fin on the top layer as well. Create a clip layer for the window and add a reflection on it. Create a clip layer for the body and change it to color burn. Draw the fin shadow on it. Merge the duplicate flame layer to the original, and create a clip layer for it, change it to color burn as well. Add some highlights on the flame and shadow on the fins. Select this layer and add the shadow around the window also. Now, merge all the layers except the fin layer. Merge the clip layers first, and among the clip layers, merge the color burn layers first. Create a clip layer for it and change it to soft light, then use the path tool to draw the highlights on the rocket, or you can just draw it out yourself. Do same for the flame layer. And merge these clip layers as well, then merge these two parts also. Unhide all other layers and position the rocket. Create a layer below the rocket and draw some planets on it. Create clip layer and change it to color burn, and then draw the shadows on them, just like this. Then merge it to the original. Use the selection tool to duplicate these planets separately. Merge this to the layer below, and erase some of them partially. Duplicate this planet also. Add one more planet on this layer and create a clip layer to add some pattern on it. Merge this clip layer and create two more clip layers, and then change them to multiply. Draw some pattern on them too. Merge these clip layers again. Create a layer above this layer, add a ring to this planet. Select the planet layer and tap on this option here, and then select the ring layer and erase the top part. Now, merge this ring layer too. Create a shadow layer for this planet layer also, using same method we used before. Now, use the selection tool and move this layer to the lower left side. Merge all the planet layer. Create a layer above it, and draw a big planet in the corner. Create a multiple clip layers for color gradients, highlight, and pattern. After you're done, merge all the clip layer to the original, and add the shadow to this layer as well. Merge this layer to the planet's layer if you like. Create a layer above the background layer, draw two more planets and erase them partially. Use the isometric tool for the meteors. Erase them partially as well. Create one more layer above it, and draw the stars on it. Duplicate it, lower the opacity of one of them. And then use selection tool to transform it. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.